Friends, welcome to Bank Exam Cafe. As you know that the CBSE through its circular dated 7th July 2020 under the subject revised academic curriculum for the session 2021 decided that the topic of 30% will be reduced and published a letter in which it states that the prevailing health emergency in the country and at different parts of the world, as well as the efforts to contain the spread of COVID-19 pandemic, has resulted in loss of classroom teaching due to closure of schools. Therefore, the board has decided to revise the syllabi of classes 9th and 12th for academic session 2020-21. The changes made in the syllabi have been finalized by the respective course committees with the approval of curriculum committee and governing body of the board. The revision of syllabi is a measure taken due to the extraordinary situation prevailing in the country and at different parts of the world. Considering the importance of achieving the level of learning, the syllabus has been rationalized to the extent possible by retaining the core concepts. And friends, here is a link where from you can download the change in the syllabus for all the subjects. Here I am giving you the change in the subject of mathematics. So for mathematics, the first unit is number system. From unit 1, number system, the Euclid's division lemma is deleted and it will not be in the syllabus. Then from unit 2, algebra, polynomials, the statement and simple problems on division algorithm for polynomial with real coefficients, that is deleted. Statement and simple problems on division algorithm for polynomials with real coefficients is deleted. From the topic pair of linear equations in two variables, cross multiplication method is deleted. That cross multiplication method will not be in the syllabus. Then from quadratic equations, the situational problems based on equations reducible to the quadratic equation is deleted. It means the situational problems that are based on the reducible quadratic equation is deleted. Then the next topic is arithmetic progression. From arithmetic progression, application in solving daily life problems based on sum to n terms, that topic is deleted. Now from the coordinate geometry area of triangles, that topic is deleted. Area of triangles is completely deleted from the coordinate geometry. In the unit 4, that is geometry, and the first topic is of triangles, and from triangles proof of the following theorems are deleted. The ratio of the areas of two similar triangles is equal to the ratio of the squares of their corresponding sides. The proof of this theorem is deleted. In a triangle, if the square of one side is equal to the sum of the squares of the other two sides, then the angle opposite to the first side is right angle. It means this is a converse of Pythagoras theorem. This converse of Pythagoras theorem is also deleted. The proof of this is deleted. The application is not deleted, only the proof of the following theorems are deleted. Now from circle, no deletion is there because the topic is very small and there is nothing to delete. From construction of triangles similar to a given triangle is deleted. This is one of the important topic, but it is now deleted. We cannot do anything. So construction of triangle of similar triangle to a given triangle, this topic is also deleted. From trigonometry, first topic is introduction to the trigonometry. Motivate the ratios whichever are defined at 0 and 90 degree. Then second, trigonometric identities, that is trigonometric ratios of complementary angles, that is also deleted. So trigonometric ratios of complementary angles is deleted. From heights and distance there is no deletion. From the topic of mensuration, you see that areas related to circle, the problems on central angle of 120 degree is deleted. The problems on central angle of 120 degree is deleted. From surface areas and volumes, the frustum of the cone is also deleted. This topic that has difficult types of calculations, and it is very good for the children that this topic is deleted. Now statistics and probability, the step deviation method for finding the mean is deleted. There are the two methods. One is the direct method, another is the step deviation method. There is one method, third method is also there, but out of these two important one, that is the step deviation method for finding mean is deleted, and then the cumulative frequency graph is also deleted. Augue is also deleted, and from probability there is no deletion. So friends, the link to download this is given in the description box. You can go through it and download for the other subjects also. Here I have given for the mathematics subjects, and the topics which are deleted you please note down in your notebook and also in your textbook, so that it will be easier for you to refer every time whenever you go through these topics. So friends, thank you very much for watching this video.